Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey RT and I will show you how you can start this vehicle in case the battery in a key fob is dead, or even if there is no battery in a key fob and you have a push button start. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. I will also show you if I try to start this vehicle right now, I will get a message, key not detected. You can see my key is right here, key not detected. And the battery is completely dead in it. Now most of the other vehicles, like a Ford for example, they will have like a backup key slot in which you would insert the key and then you will be able to start it even without the battery. Now on these vehicles, all you have to do, you have to push the start button with the tip of the key fob. So I will show you, see, just push it with the tip of the key fob and the vehicle will actually start. Okay, and you can drive as much as you want even if your key fob is completely dead, because the vehicle will read the chip in the fob and you can drive, but make sure to replace that battery as soon as possible. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.